So I've got this trail camera. I used to have it set up overlooking the garden, and I would get myself on the camera more than I would anything else. But periodically, I'd get a deer, or I'd get a bird. One day, I got a buzzard. Right, came into the garden to get into my compost. Raccoon, possum, skunk, odds and ends like that. But mostly myself. So I stopped putting it in the garden and decided I'm just going to put it out here on the fence. There's a little fence right here behind us. I'm going to put it there, and I'm going to face it this way so that I can see what's going on this way at night. I want to be able to see what kind of critters come around, if anything's like scoping out the area to get the chickens, or maybe, I don't know. You never know what wanders through, your property at night, or even during the daytime for that matter. Like, we got chickens, coyotes, hawks, dogs, foxes. We got foxes around here. They're all predators. They will come around and try to capture and eat your ducks and your chickens, maybe even the guinea birds. So hopefully this thing will help. So I'm going to set this up, and right here my camera's not straight no more, but anyway, right there is where I'm going to put this thing. And the vines growing on here, it's got the 5 leaves. I don't see any 3 leaves, so I'm pretty sure there's no poison ivy in there. But I've got this little strap with a little clip on there, so I'll just kind of throw it on there and see what I can do to make it work. There we go. I had to double check just to make sure there wasn't any poison ivy. Doesn't look like any poison ivy. So poison ivy just wears me out horribly. Horribly. No way, chickies. No. Oh my gosh, you won't pet? Yeah, let me pet you. Okay, how about you? Yep, okay. No? Okay, come on. Okay, let's see the camera. Can you see the camera? Say hi to the camera. Hi, camera. Look, right here. Hi, camera. Hi, camera. Oh, did you just poop? You did? What'd you poop for? Oh. I got some good chickies. There you go. I think he pooped. Okay. Can't do nothing without animals pooping on me. Get out of the way, chicken. Gosh. I tell you, chickens, ducks, cats, every time I come out here, they got to get under my feet. So what I'm going to do I'm not going to turn that on right now. I'm going to wait until it starts to get dark and wait until I'm not out here anymore. But I'll just have to open it up. And right there's a little on off button. I'll do the on off or turn it on. Close this, and it's looking out that way. Yeah, it's looking the way I want it to go, pretty much. And I think it's got a good view. I might kind of stick something in there to tilt it down a little bit, so I don't know. We'll just see how that goes. But I'll fix it up and I'll turn it on when it gets dark. And when I'm done walking around out here and doing my stuff. And then maybe in a couple of days I'll be able to show you what kind of critters come around here. So wish me luck. And I gotta get busy. I gotta get that lawnmower going, and I gotta get some grass mowed, and I got one of those little teardrop campers back here I gotta move. I'll probably make a video about that.